The M4404 code in your Bobcat loader will most likely be accompanied by a lot of random and intermittent problems. This code means that there is no communication with the auxiliary controller. It's not the joystick or control panel, but the control module that sends signals to auxiliary equipment. It's worth unplugging the controller and plugging it back. Also, it's worth checking all the fuses that can be involved, but in most cases the problem is with the controller itself. They are known to have issues, especially after having any contact with water or just because of age. Interestingly, the auxiliary controller shows typical symptoms as if there are issues with wiring. The M4404 code may pop up and then go away for some time, but when you have the code, all your auxiliary equipment doesn't work. While these can mean issues with wiring or clamps, very often it's the broken controller itself. In newer Bobcat models, you will need the new auxiliary controller to be programmed by the dealership. Otherwise, a part of its functions may not work properly.